Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to eMix's online lesson. Today, we're going to understand how to use the ordinal number in the English system. In the English system of counting numbers or using numbers, we have two different ways. One is called the cardinal numbers. This is in which we do a counting system. 1 marker, 2 markers, 3 markers by using that system. Here today we're going to be using the second system called the ordinal numbers. Let's understand this. Ordinal numbers are used for ranking. Okay? For ranking. First, second, third, example. And of the orders of things, categories. Here we can see an example of the spelling of ordinal with the O-R-D, which basically means the order of numbers. We're going to look at 4 parts to our ordinals. Our first part is talking about dates of the month. Dates of the month. So we will not and should not use cardinal expression. An example of dates of the month today is April 17th. We should not use April 17. Or we could use a different form, the 17th of April. Again, ordinal. Next are floors, floor levels. This would be example of eMix. eMix is located on the 3rd floor. Third. We will not say, should not say 3 floor or 3 floors. Another one is grades or years. Again, going back to ranking and order, grades or years. My daughter is in the 6th grade. My son is in the 12th grade. When it comes to years, an example, this is my 15th year at eMix. 15th year at eMix. The last one here is a little bit tricky. Some students don't understand, but let's help you do that. Fractions. Fractions. Such as 4分の3 or 1 or 2分の1. Here for fractions, we want to remember the bottom number is expressed using an ordinal number. So if you're putting a fraction or different symbols, we don't have a name for this symbol. But if we put this not here and we put this here, this is your ordinal number. Okay? Here, while the top is expressed using a cardinal number, such as a 2 or a 3. Okay? 2, 3. The bottom numbers will be pronounced third, fourth. Third, fourth. To say a fraction, we express the top number first, followed by the bottom number. So in this instance, we will say 2/3. 2/3. While our second example, 3/4. 3/4. Okay, very tricky at this also is if your top number is 1, and whatever number you have at the bottom, it'll be a singular form. Understand? If we have 1, 3, 2, 3, listen to the pronunciation. 1/3. 1/3. While this pronunciation, 2/3. 2/3. If you hear carefully, you can hear a Z sound at the end of the thirds. Another example. Our first example, 1/4. 1/4. Second example, 3/4. 3/4. You hear the S sound. Very tricky, but you can do it. By using this 1/4 and this 1/2, we also have second different expressions. We say half. or we say quarter, your choice. But let's practice the ST, ND, RD, and mostly the TH by doing it singular and plural. Good luck. I hope this is a great lesson for you. Thank you.